In this video, we will do an example of a domain restriction of an inverse. Say domain restriction of an inverse. Good. What kind of function is that? Square root function. If I told you that its vertex was at -3, 0, what would its equation be? X plus 3 would shift it left 3. Can you say x plus 3 would shift it left 3? Correct. Now, we will find the inverse of this function. Does anyone know? Where do we go to find out how to find the inverse? Who do we ask when we don't know where to go? The map. On the map, on the map, on the map, on the map, on the map. I'm looking for you to switch who and what. I'm looking for you to switch X and Y. After you do that, we're going to, so we need to switch the X and Y, solve for Y, and then change Y to F inverse. Say it with me. Switch X and Y, solve for Y, switch Y to F inverse. Come on, vamonos. Everybody, square both sides. Come on, let's get to it. Let's subtract. We can do it. Where are we going? To the inverse. Where are we going? To the inverse. Okay. Let's recap. Are we finished with our adventure? What haven't we done yet? Change Y to F inverse. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. That's the music for who? Here's why Swiper is showing up. Do you know why? What does the graph of this inverse look like? A parabola. Does this parabola look like a reflection of the original red function? They look different. The red function was only what fraction of the green function? Half. I'd like to get rid of the other half of the green function. Which half do I want to get rid of if I want them to be reflected across the azul line? I want to get rid of the left half. So if I don't want to see the left half and I only want to see the right half, I need to blank the blank. I only want to look at the right side where X is greater than or equal to 0. That is the proper inverse of the original function. X squared minus 3. Dun, 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 dun. We did it. We did it. What do they say? La Racimo? Oh, no, that's where the trio comes out. And they go dun, 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 dun. Yeah. And we're done.